that's my little rant here about corporate America. Those people who are lucky enough to work for corporate companies get this kind of service. The people who are working for the gig economy, well, well, if your computer breaks down, if your car breaks down because you're an Uber driver and all that stuff, well, that's on you. Figure it out yourself. But, and that's why I wish pretty much all companies were corporate, or at least took care of their employees the right way. Then everybody would have smooth sailing and all that good stuff. You see this? Really cool stuff. Anyway, thanks for watching. I don't think that I will ever get lucky enough to work for corporate America, but if a company ever does decide to, take the chance on me, well, they know that I would be appreciative.
Likey